This video shows how to maintain the condition record. Go to TCOEMBK1 and press enter. Fill the ELPP in the condition type text box and press enter. Select plant/material radio button. Click choose. Enter plant details. Enter material, amount and unit and press enter. Click. Now go to TCOE/NME21N and press enter. Click here and select the ELPO local parts order. Enter purchasing organization, purchasing group and company code. Enter vendor details and press enter. Fill the material detail in the text box and press enter. Enter plant and PO quantity and press enter. Now go to Conditions tab